Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
Nutritionists recommend this for breakfast to people who want to lose belly fat. Whatever you do, you should never skip breakfast. This is the most important meal of the day because it gives us the necessary energy needed throughout the day. The breakfast should consist of at least 20% of your daily caloric intake. There are a countless number of recipes, ideas, and guides about what you should have for breakfast. Thus, we decided to show you a breakfast idea, which is considered to be one of the healthiest breakfasts. It is recommended by nutritionists and it is packed with vitamins and minerals that affect the skin, hair and boost the metabolism. Moreover, if you consume this breakfast regularly, it will eliminate all the toxins from your body and cleanse your bowels. What's more, it is a great recipe for speeding up the weight loss process and burning fat. You'll notice that you won't longer have issues with constipation and you'll start losing weight in the abdominal area. Additionally, your skin, hair, and nails will become healthier. Healthy breakfast recipe. Ingredients: 5-7 fleshy prunes, 2 tablespoon oatmeal, 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed, 10 ounces, 300 milliliters of kefir, or low-fat yogurt, 1 teaspoon cocoa powder. Instructions: you should always prepare your breakfast in the evening and have it ready the next day. First, pour some boiling water, about 100 milliliters, over the prunes. Then, cover and leave for 5-10 minutes. Next, add the oat flakes, crushed flaxseed, and cocoa in a bowl. Add the kefir and stir well. Then, chop the prunes finely or blend them until you get a puree. Add it to the rest of the mixture. Finally, mix all the ingredients well and leave the mixture in the fridge. Consume this healthy and delicious breakfast the next day.